Good morning, children. We are going to do the third chapter in English literature, which is a poem. The name of the poem is Silver Fishes, and the poet is anonymous. Anonymous means that you don't know who has written the poem. This poem is about fish. You all have seen fish, and many of you must have kept an aquarium at home, and you must be seeing fish floating in the water daily. Now here I am going to read the poem first, and then I will explain you. Silver fishes. Little silver fishes, darting to and fro, I can see you shining as you come and go. In the bright cool water, merrily you play, that is very pleasant on a summer day. But when winter passes through this pretty glen, little fishes, little silver fishes, what do you do then? Now here in this poem, the poet imagines the silver fish playing in the cool water during the summertime. In winter, the poet wants to know, where do these fish go? Why? Because the water becomes very cold and they swim to warmer places. Now little silver fishes darting to and fro. Now darting word means, see, darting. You have seen the fishes moving like this. So the way they move to and fro, that is called darting. I can see you shining as you come and go. You must have seen the fish even on TV in Discovery Channel. You must have seen fish when they are floating in water, they shine. Why? Because their skin is very silky type. In the bright cool water, merrily you play, that is very pleasant on a summer day. Like in bright cool water means the water is very clear, and when the fish is floating and playing merrily means joyfully, happily they are playing. So that is very pleasant on a summer day, means it looks very nice on a summer day when it is very hot. But when winter passes through this pretty glen, little silver fishes, what do you do then? Means when winter passes through this pretty glen, means from this small valley, when winter goes away, then little fishes, what do you do? Then they again come back to the warmer places. This is all about silver fishes, and you all learn the poem and write the poem in your exercise book and draw this picture. I will send you the photo of this and you will draw it.